There are a few things you can do to have the best experience while using KT tape.
Prepare the area to be taped as necessary.
Trim excess hair to maximize tape-to-skin contact.
Thoroughly remove any skin oils, sunscreens, or lotions.
To prep your skin, clean the area with rubbing alcohol.
KT tape should be applied at least 1 hour prior to workout or activity. In the taping videos, we simply use different colors to show first strip, second strip, third strip. But ultimately, it's all about your personal style.
Directly apply KT tape to the skin for best results. Avoid layering of tape except where required.
Avoid touching the adhesive side of the tape with your hands while applying.
The rounded corners on KT tape are designed to limit catching on clothing.
There are a few different ways to remove the paper backing. The most common is the twist and tear either at one end of the strip or in the center, depending on the application.
A helpful tip is to fold the paper backing, creating tabs to assist with handling your tape and removing the paper backing during the application.
Regardless of application type or amount of stretch used, always leave approximately 2 inches with no stretch on either end of the tape.
Some applications require additional cutting of the pre-cut strips. To create half strips, simply take a full strip, fold it in half widthwise, and cut a rounded edge near the top of the strip. For a lengthwise half strip, cut the tape down the center, then round the straight corners. Some applications require a smaller half piece. To create these, take one of your lengthwise half strips, cut it in half, and round any straight corners.
There are 4 grades of stretch used with KT tape applications: no stretch, light stretch, moderate stretch, and heavy stretch. Most applications use light or moderate stretch.
Applying full stretch on KT tape is rarely necessary and should be avoided as it can cause skin irritations.
To remove KT tape, carefully lift an edge of the tape, folding it back on itself. While holding your skin, gently pull the tape down. Avoid removing the tape while pulling away from your body, as this can overstretch and injure your skin.
For sensitive skin, apply lotion or skin-safe oils to KT tape prior to removal.
For all of our instructional videos, new product information, and great discount offers, go to kttape.com and subscribe to our email news.